Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary is feast for bird lovers. Thousands of birds from various parts of world migrate during start of every year. Our journey to this place started early in the morning from Pune. Let's go back. It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning and we are heading to Bhigwan to see the flamingos. And the plan is to reach before sunrise.
We are going to Bhigwan, yay! To visit flamingos. This time I think meeting is accepted. Let's see.
Driving early in the morning through farms and in fresh air is pleasant experience. We are all set to reach Kranti Flemigo site before sunrise. Sunrise and sunset are the perfect timings for bird watching and videography too. Seagulls live in a colonies that consist of few pairs of birds or couple of thousands birds. Seagulls are one of the rare animals that are able to drink salt water. Indian cormorant mainly found in the inland waters of the Indian subcontinent and also Thailand, Cambodia and Sri Lanka. A cormorant is a clever bird which spans its wings out as an act of drying them after coming out of the water. Hey, looks like egret is facing difficulty to swallow big fish. This bird is mostly active at dusk and dawn. Here Rahul is looking for flamingos. It was long boat ride to locate these beautiful birds. These birds are major attraction of Bhigawan Bird Sanctuary. Flamingos travel thousands of kilometers distance all the way from Europe in search of food. Flamingos are very social birds. They live in the colonies whose population can be number of thousands. They can take off rapidly and fly up to 35 miles per hour. They also fly hundreds of miles a day between different locations in order to find adequate amounts of food. Most of the time, the flight takes place at night, though which is why many of us never see them. The painted stork is a large wadder in the stork family. It is found in tropical Asia and region of Himalayas. Seagulls often steal food from other birds, animals, and people, and this painted stork doesn't want to let it go. Here we are returning back with lots of awesome clicks and videos. This is one of the must visit place in my list every year. Keep watching and happy driving. Bye bye.